Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a journey that can transform your life in ways you can't even imagine. It's the journey of fitness, and it starts with a single step, a decision to change, to become the best version of yourself. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our bodies. We get caught up in the demands of daily life, work, and responsibilities. But let me remind you that your body is your greatest asset. It's the vehicle that carries you through this beautiful journey called life. When you decide to prioritize fitness, you're not just building a better body, you're building a better life. You're investing in your health, your energy, and your longevity. You're telling the world that you value yourself enough to take care of your physical and mental well-being. But let's be honest, the road to fitness is not always easy. It's filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. It's when you face these obstacles head-on that you truly grow. Every drop of sweat, every sore muscle, every step on the treadmill, they all contribute to your transformation. Remember, progress may be slow, but quitting won't speed it up. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Visualize the healthier, happier, and more confident version of yourself that's waiting at the finish line. Surround yourself with a support system, friends, family, or a community that shares your fitness goals. Their encouragement will lift you up on the toughest days. And don't forget, fitness is not just about lifting weights or running marathons. It's about finding an activity you love, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or yoga. The key is consistency and making it a part of your lifestyle. In closing, I want you to remember this. You have the power to take control of your health and fitness. You have the potential to achieve things you never thought possible. The journey might be tough, but the rewards are priceless. A longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. So, let your determination burn brighter than your excuses. Get up, get moving, and make today the day you commit to a healthier, happier you. The only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Start now and be amazed at what you can achieve. Thank you.